We all like things. Today, I'm gonna show you my top 5 favorite things that I'm loving this month. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you guys who don't know me, I'm Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist, and if you're just tuning in for the first time, welcome. I do so many things on this channel. Today, I'm showing you my top 5 favorite things that I'm loving right now. This is actually one of my favorite segments to do because quite often I get mailed a lot of things. I don't get the opportunity to really share them. This is not a paid segment. These are just things that have been sent to me that I've actually requested that I have loved. So also a lot of times I'll reach out to brands and I'll say, hey, I really like that. Can you send me one so I can check it out? And they do. And so this is what I have to show you today. So first one, I don't know if you guys have seen these guys on Instagram. I left it in the case. Ugh. I left it in the case, but I forgot that the case slid open. But can we just talk about this case for a minute? Oh yeah, now I want it to open and it won't open. What the heck? Anyway, this is one of my favorite things right now. This is called Ideal of Sweden. They make cell phone cases. And I've seen them all over Instagram, as you guys probably have. I totally fell in love. I reached out to them. I'm like, I'm loving your cases. You need to send me some. And they did. They let me pick 2. And I picked these 2, both so pretty. I believe these retail for about $30 or $40. I fell in love with this case. It's marble. How awesome is that? So that's white marble, and then they have another one called Floral Romance. Let's see if I can get this open. Ooh, I can. How pretty is this? Come on, so girly and pretty. I love it. So check these guys out, Ideal of Sweden. They're on Instagram everywhere, and I'll leave a link to them down below, and just pick out your favorite case. But I think actually these are the prettiest cell phone cases on the market currently. And I've looked at a lot of cell phone cases, and I don't usually like to use cell phone cases, and I love these. So there you go, one of my top favorite things, Ideal of Sweden. Moving right along, my next favorite thing that I'm loving right now is Nude by Nature makeup. So this is actually made in Australia. I'll tell you how I found out about these guys. I was speaking at a Women of Influence event in Toronto. We were doing a fashion show with the retailers that were there that night. And the makeup artist was using Nude by Nature. And I think she was working with Nude by Nature, obviously, to help launch the product in Canada. And so I started asking her a bit of questions, and it is a mineral makeup, and they are PETA certified, which means they are absolutely 100% not tested on animals. I had done a video, What's in My Purse, and I had showed, I believe, NARS and Chanel, and that was an old video, and it was before I had actually realized that those 2 brands are made in China, and they do test on animals, which made me sick. I'm vegan, and it should make anyone sick, regardless of if you're vegan or not. It's a disgusting concept that you would keep animals in cages and poke things in their eye and their skin and whatever. Anyway, we don't need to do that anymore. This is not the Stone Ages. So, done rant. But Nude by Nature is cruelty-free, and they're mineral-based makeup. And since receiving the product, I now use this primer, which is amazing, and also this translucent powder. And something I'm not showing is the bronzing powder that I also have. I'll just open this up for you. You can see it. So these are in Shoppers Drug Marts all over the place. And or you can just Google it and have it shipped directly to you. Nude by Nature. Loving it. I'm loving anything that's cruelty-free. And not only is it cruelty-free, but it's a darn good product. It actually works, and it's beautiful. So there's something that you should definitely check out. My third thing, I've showed you guys a few times. It is Routine Natural Deodorant. I've been talking about this for a really long time. I've put it on my Instagram story. I have little mini ones in my purse. This one's one of my favorite. It's called Superstar. I love it for obvious reasons. It is a natural deodorant made with baking soda and a bunch of other natural ingredients. This one actually has charcoal, magnesium, and prebiotics in it. So I don't know about you guys, but I'll show you the inside. Yeah, there's the inside. Oh my gosh. And it smells so good. So this is actually 2 girls that are around my age that came up with this deodorant. I have never ever in my life been able to use a natural deodorant and not be stinky. And Ryan actually uses it too. I gave some to Ryan. Do you like it, Ryan? Yeah. He does. Which one do you use?
Like a boss.
Like a boss. Ryan uses Like a Boss. Anyway, it's fantastic deodorant. And I tell you wholeheartedly, 100% best deodorant I have ever used in my entire life. And I'm not putting any crap on my skin. So top 3 products here. And the other 2 I'm actually wearing. So I went to Nordstrom this weekend and I was doing a little bit of work there and I was doing some shopping. And Nordstrom has hands down the best in-house t-shirts. I'm not kidding. You guys always ask me, I get this question probably once a day on all forms of media. Where do I find my basic white and black tees? I'm gonna tell you, it's Nordstrom. I grabbed the tag off so that you guys can see. I actually kept it specifically to show you. And no, not paid. This is just literally what I wear. There's the tag. That's their house brand. It's called Caslon. I love it. This t-shirt is $22 Canadian, the white one that I'm wearing right now. They are my favorite t-shirts. I literally bought like 5 white, 5 black. This is a high neck. I bought the rounded V-neck is awesome with the little pocket. Oh my gosh, I wear those every day. One of my favorite things, everyone needs white and black t-shirts. It's $22 and I've had my last ones for over a year and they're still hanging in my closet. So great quality, great price. Good job, Nordstrom. And then my last of my top 5 favorite things, I was in Aritzia. I gotta thank you guys. You did an amazing job for me. I had a tight turnaround for the Fresh magazine cover shoot for Tori, and I reached out to Anna at the Aritzia PR. I needed a pair of white jeans, and I felt absolutely in love. High-waisted, white jeans in Aritzia by Levi's. I think the price point is around $100. They're called the Wedgie, the Levi's Wedgie. It's a high-rise, thinner through the thigh, a little bit wider at the bottom. I mean, they're a little wider on me. Definitely my favorite. Any of like the high-waisted 90s style jeans right now I'm loving. And you know what else I'm loving? They're not stretch denim. Remember like the jegging that was hugely popular? I'm over it. I tried on a few really great pairs and I'm like, you know what? I don't know, I'm over this look. I kind of like the old school, like thick, high-waisted, don't stretch, go up your bum, Wedgie jeans. Those are my top 5 favorites for you. I'm loving all of these things. Okay, so I'll give you a bonus because Ryan just mentioned my earrings that I totally fell in love with. I got these in the Simply Beautiful BC Living Editors box and I fell in love. They're tassel earrings, which are still very trendy for spring. These are by Olive & Piper out of Vancouver. You can just throw them on with a t-shirt and jeans and you've instantly elevated your look. I love them. Thank you guys so much. Janine, I love you for putting these in there. So that's it for my top 5 favorite things, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed these. These are literally my favorite things that are going on right now at the moment. I kid you not, I am absolutely not steering you wrong. You need all of these things. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. If you guys like this video, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you've ever used any of these products, if you like them, share with everybody else because everyone else reads the comments too. And I will see you guys next week.